Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty, and today I'm going to show you how to stretch out your hair without using any heat. I've been trying not to put heat on my hair for like 2 months now, and it's been really difficult, especially in the first few weeks, because I'm used to washing my hair and then blow drying it and then putting it into like cornrows or whatever under my wigs. But I couldn't blow dry anymore, and it just made the cornrow braiding process so difficult because your hair is just so thick, and oh yeah, it was hard. But I found out this technique just probably like 3 weeks ago, and it has really been helping me out. It's called the banding method. There's really two ways I've seen on YouTube on how people can stretch out the hair without any heat. The first is, what is it? The first is the threading. It's called African threading. Yeah, it's called African threading, and you just use like a normal thread like for weaving or whatever, and then you put that around your hair and then it stretches it out. And the second method is the banding method, which I use. I tried the thread method, but I don't think I have the technique down. Like, I could not get the air, like the bottom of my hair to be like stiff enough, so it just unraveled. But that's a really good method, and it's easy to take out. This one, it takes forever to take out. It's really annoying, but hey, this is the method I use, and this is actually how I keep my hair under my wigs now. It's really perfect. So I'm kind of doing this video back to front because I already have these in my head already, so I just thought I'll take it out and show you how my hair looks stretched, and then I'll go and wash my hair, come back, show you when it's shrunken, and then how I do the whole process. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take out my hair now. You guys are going to see how it looks when it's stretched out. So I'm going to start taking these out and come back when I'm done. Alright guys, I've taken out all the bands now. Look, it really has stretched out my hair. I'm quite shocked at how much it's stretched out. I think it's because I made the bands like smaller. Yeah, it really has stretched out. So I'm gonna go co-wash my hair, come back and let you see how it looks when it shrinks again. So from this to this, look at it. Pretty sexy. Look how much it shrunk. Like, wow. Wow. I think I kind of have the face for short hair, like, but I just don't like short hair. I need it bigger and better, like big stuff, because I have a big head. But look, before I couldn't fit in the frame, like now it's in the camera. It's even airball life, crush, airball life. Chaale more vim. Hey. You're gonna just need a whole bunch of like hair bands. Make sure they're bigger ones. Look, even this one you can see. This is my hair that is like. Try and get them as bigger the size, the better for you. Honestly, one time I used small ones and they just tugged my whole hair off. Okay. So a crocodile clip if you really need to. You don't really need to. And the comb, but I'm not gonna use a comb if you use your hands to part. The trick is, the smaller the size, the more your hair will be stretched out. So just keep that in mind. But then also, the smaller the size, the longer it takes to come out. It took me probably about 45 minutes to take those ones that I had before out. Yeah. As your hair is like this, you want to just part it like this. Clip so you guys can see. So here, take the portion.
Start from the bottom and go around the bottom like 2 or 3 times. But not too tight. I mean, don't do it too tight. 1, 2, 3. Just at the base, and then you start moving down. Start moving down. Start moving down. Start moving down. Down.
And then that's it. If your hair is just slightly longer, just braid the bottom. But if your hair is much longer, then you can take another thing and go down it. But honestly, it takes so long to take out that even if my hair is much longer, I'll still just braid it. I'll show you another one.
And I am definitely making these pretty small because they will be under my hair for a while. They'll be on it. I'll have them on for maybe 3 weeks or so. So I don't have to worry about it.
Take a hairband, go around the bottom 2 or 3 times, and then start moving down.
Like for this one, it didn't get all the way to the bottom. Like there's still some of my hair there. So and then I'll just do a normal 3 plait. And make sure when you're doing them, do it to this like side. So if you're on this side of your hair, twist it to this side so that's how the oil will lie, especially if you're gonna put some sort of wig or weave or something on top of it, so that it lies quite flat for you. So this is it. Like, twist it out. If you need to take this out tomorrow, you can do that. If it's something you're gonna like a protective stand underneath your wigs, it works as well. So you can put like a wig cap on it, and then everything will just move nice down. If you need to look after your normal hair, this spray bottle.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to help you know how to stretch out your natural hair. Yeah, remember, please use big bubbles, because it really, even this one, it like snags on my hair and I'm pulling stuff. So try and get quite big bubbles when you're doing this process. So yeah, you know what time it is. I gotta do my dance.